Hi, that was my version of The Sound of Silence by Simon and Garfunkel. This is a beginner video because it's actually a very, very easy song to play, but it gives you a chance to move around with your slide and go all the way up to your 12th fret. So you kind of have to practice being in tune. So it's really good if you have a good tuner on your phone or a snark or something, so you can kind of check your tuning as you go up the neck. And I have quite a bit of effects on too. But that's deliberate as well, because one thing you can do when you're starting is, even though you haven't been playing very long, and maybe you made your own instrument, is you can pick up inexpensive effects pedals, like the one I'm using, which is called the Dapper Indie. And it's got everything in it, chorus and echo and delay. So basically I cranked it all on except the distortions, to just sort of show you that you can get an amazing sound. And even if you're playing a song that isn't fast and is very slow and you're only playing single notes, it can sound really good. So I'll take you through the song. I'm going to turn a couple of the effects off though, so it's a little clearer. And I am using a cube, but you could use any amp with this, literally. I'm tuned to open G, G, D, G. And the first phrase starts on the 2nd fret of the middle string. Do a couple of those. And then open on the high string. Then 4 twice. And then 2. I'll play that again for you. And as you can see, when you get rid of the effects, it's really, really, really simple. And then the next phrase is 3 open, and it changes a little bit with the verses because the number of words change and stuff like that, so close counts. So it's like open on the middle, open again, 2 4s on the middle, 2 2s on the high, open on the high. I'll play that slow. Now here's where it's really good, if you haven't been playing very long, to have a tuner or a tuner on your phone or something that you can sort of check your intonation with. Because the next phrase goes up quite high. Open on the high string twice, 4 twice, and right up to 7, and then 9 twice, and 7 once. And then it repeats. So I'll do that again. And once you've heard it in tune and you've checked it and you've heard it in tune a couple times, that'll stay with you and you'll know. And a vibrato's pretty cool. It's not really cool for covering up mistakes, but if you have a little bit of vibrato, and that's just a case of riding the slide up and down on the string, or back and forth maybe I should say, you'll find the note center really quick, because your ear will tell you. Now here's the real challenging part. Open again, and that's right up to 9. And 2 more 9s. 11. 2 12s. 11. 9. 7. Like that. Right? The next line is really easy. 9 to 7. Down to 4. And you're already at the end of the verse. And then 3 opens. Then 4 on the middle. Open on the high string. 2 on the middle. So whether you choose to do it with a bunch of effects or just to do it very, very plain and simply, it's a beautiful melody. That's very, very nice. And it's a great opportunity to sort of tune your ear in to where you are up on your neck. And if you're fretless and you have high action, trust your ear more than the marks. If you're right over top of a mark and it doesn't sound right to you, it probably isn't right. Check with your tuner. And you'll get yourself tuned in pretty quick. Have a great day. Bye.